What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Carry On by XXXTentacion. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, once you get done with the video, make sure you check the description below. I've left a free ebook there for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go get your free ebook, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song isn't too difficult. You're in standard tuning, capo 2nd fret. Your first chord is going to be your index finger on your third fret on your E string, your low E string. Your middle finger on your 3rd fret on your B string. Your ring finger on your 4th fret on your D string, and your pinky finger on your 4th fret on your D string. You're using your thumb to pick that low E, you're using your ring finger to pick that B string, middle finger to pick your G string, and your index finger to pick your D string. Now your ring finger and your middle finger and your index finger are going to pick those same strings throughout all these chords. The only thing that's going to change is your thumb. It's going to change on your next chord. Your next chord being your index finger is moving to your 2nd fret on your A string. Your middle finger is moving to your 2nd fret on your G string, and your ring finger is moving to your 2nd fret on your B string. So your ring finger is picking your B string still, middle finger picking your G string, index finger is still picking your D string, which is now open. And then your thumb is picking the A string. Now for your final chord, the only thing that's changing is you're keeping everything the same, except you're moving your index finger down to the 2nd fret on the low E string. Your ring finger, middle finger, and index finger on your right hand are still going to pick those same strings, but now your thumb is picking that low E string. Now the rhythm that you're going to want to follow while you're picking these chords is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and. So you're starting on your first chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, give it a little slap right there to kind of mute the strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going 1 and give another little slap. Switch, 2, and another slap. So slowly that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. One more time, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, and. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there's any comments or questions or concerns or any songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave that in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.